In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear tail lamp circuit board on this Chevy Trailblazer. This will be mounted directly to the back side of your tail lamp assembly. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we need to do is safely remove each one of our two mounting screws. We'll use a Phillips head for this. Inspect your mounting hardware, replace it as necessary. Now we can carefully remove that tail lamp and we'll have a look along the back side. This is where you're going to find your electrical connector. Squeeze on the tab right where my thumb is here. That'll dislodge this. A quick check for corrosion and we can set that wiring harness aside. Now we can start unscrewing the circuit board from the rear of the tail lamp. For this, you'll find that you have 3 Phillips head screws. There it is, friend. All right, let's get ready to install that brand new circuit board. Put this in position, aligning all 3 of our Phillips head mounting screw holes. We'll start these in and then we can snug them up. Now keep in mind you are only screwing into plastic. We'll make sure these are snug, but we don't want to over tighten them and damage anything. Now we can install this in the vehicle. Connect in the electrical connector. Listen for a click from that. Give it a tug to make sure it is properly secured. Now we'll take this and put it in place. What you're going to find is you have 2 small locating tabs on the back of the assembly itself, and you have 2 small ports in the body of the vehicle. We'll align those, align our 2 mounting screw holes, start those in and snug them up. Double check to make sure it's secure. The last thing you want to do is test its functionality. As you can tell, everything's functioning as it needs to. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.